Today I'm going to make boho hair strings. They are very simple. So here I have taken the desired length that I require and now I'm going to tie a knot. I am using bobby pins. You all can even use tic tac clips or any other clips that you all prefer. It's of your choice. I feel bobby pins are easier to put it through your hair, so it's better. Now once you have secured it with a knot, you can either tape up the bobby pin on the place that you would continue doing your work. If not, you can simply start doing it in this way that I am showing you all. Now I feel boho hair strings do not look good when they are particularly in the proper shape and all. It needs to look a little twisted, a little crooked. That's when it gives a good look. Here I'm already done braiding up the strings. All I have to do is now end it up with a knot. So to end it up with a knot, I'll just twist one of the string on the round like this and form a knot by pulling it downwards there, and that's my boho hair string. Firstly, what I will do is I will trim the bottom portion so that all the strings are equal, and then I'll add charms to it. So here I'm adding a charm which makes noise, so as you all move it will add a good look to it, and a noise of course. And this I'll be making a little different. I'm going to attach feathers. Yeah, they look cute, and the best way to secure this feather is to stitch it to the string, because if you're going to attach it by glue or hot glue, it is going to come off at some point or the other, but if you stitch it, it will not come off. So I'm going to attach two of such different colored feathers, as you can see, and that's it. My boho string look is complete. Isn't it cute? So I've made different kind of boho strings. I will show you. This is a different one. It is mainly a youthful kind of child kind of look. It looks very attractive. And this is the one which I just did. And the string was a little fancy, the yarn. So this is another simple look. Very easy to make, right? Then what are you waiting for? Make one of yours and style yourself with such boho strings. I'll see you next time with more tips, tricks and hacks. Bye.